Here at Hygea Natural, our design is inspired by nature. We believe in manufacturing safe, quality, and natural products. Our designers, scientists, and chemists work closely in our factory to create unique products using natural components that are environmentally friendly. We are driven by the deep understanding of natural elements, as well as an understanding of our clients' needs in order to develop the right product solution to bed bugs and pests, cleaning supplies, and pet care. Hygea Natural is a family-owned enterprise. We are a certified women-owned business operating in the USA. It was important for our family to manufacture our products here in the USA because it was America that gave us this opportunity. Our products are exposed to rigorous product testing. We want to make sure you feel confident to put your trust in our solutions. We can design a proprietary formula, reverse engineer, and offer research and development. Our products are available for private label, wholesale, and global distribution. Contact us today to find out more.